Today's recipe is maple cauliflower. First, I'm going to start by steaming the cauliflower, a whole head of cauliflower. I'm going to let this steam here for about 15 minutes. I'm going to cover. In the meantime, let's make the sauce. Heat up 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of muddled garlic, let's saute the garlic with the butter for about 1 minute. Three-quarter cups of maple syrup. Let's cook this here on medium until it reduces a little bit, not too much, for about 5 minutes. Let's add crushed red chili pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to turn the flame down to low. I'm going to add black pepper and salt to taste. So mix this. Okay. The sauce is done. It took about just 5 minutes. Doesn't have to be on top of the stove for longer than that. Okay, it's done. I'm going to set aside. Okay, the cauliflower is almost done. Yeah, 2 more minutes. The cauliflower is done, steamy. Let me turn the flame off. Be careful. Grab with this big fork. Water. Okay, so I'm going to put the cauliflower right here in this tray. Let's add the sauce on top of the cauliflower. So good. Wow. I'm gonna make sure all the corners got the maple syrup sauce. Let's bake the cauliflower for 10 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The cauliflower is done baking. I actually left it over here for 15 minutes instead of 10. I'm gonna wait for this to cool down. Let's drench the cauliflower with more sauce. parsley on top. Sea salt flakes on top. Let's dig into the cauliflower. This is delicious. Cheers.